Drums from my track Stirrup. Here's the synth break soloed. Use a large EQ cut on the break around 150 Hz. Can you hear it being switched off? Here is the extra beat layer. It's a 909 kick snare and hi-hat sample. The kick fundamental is boosted. The tail it creates is removed with a triggered envelope. Together the kick and snare sound more defined. But there is a reason these two layers sound so groovy. Each drum hit I have carefully aligned by ear with the original break. As you can see, not every hit is exactly lined up with the grid. This is what gives breaks like this an infectious groove. Sometimes you have to use your ears to find the best alignment. I made the bass with Ableton's operator. Then used automation to change the fine frequency modulation rate. For the strings, I used a gate to make them pulse. Here it is at 40% and at 100%. And when it's all put together,